The U.S. State Department has announced approval of sale of more than $7.4 billion in bombs, missiles, and related equipment to Israel. The proposed sale of the bombs improves Israel's capability to meet current and future threats, strengthening its homeland defense. According to a statement by 28th Mechanized Brigade, Ukrainian forces has shot down Russian Su-25 close air support aircraft over the Terezhsk sector in Donetsk region. The aircraft was reportedly hit by a man-portable air defense system, resulting in aircraft crash. Russian media have released images of a modified BM-21 Grad multiple launch rocket system, showcasing upgraded design aimed at countering modern battlefield threats. The newly revealed modifications include additional armor shielding for the crew cabin, protective mesh, and electronic warfare system. According to recent footage surfaced online, Japan has been observed testing new missile launcher system. The images posted by user shows large unidentified missile launcher positioned within Japanese ground self-defense force testing facility.